Hi everyone, welcome to November's video on the Wigan to Bolton Railway electrification scheme. It has taken me a couple of weeks to get round to editing the video, one thing and another. This was actually filmed on Bonfire Night on November the 5th. So we're going to look at Ince Station, Deep Pit, Hindley and Westhoughton Station. Thanks everyone. At Ince Station now. So the Ince Green Lane bridge now open. This is where the roller coaster queuing type temporary bridge was. So we're just looking over now. Right at church. Still quite a bit of equipment here. See the bridge? It looks like most of the utilities must be already established on the new bridge now. So just on the A577 side of the bridge now. And the compound brought it further back than it was last time. See, that's the road what runs at the side. Do a little bit of a zoom in. See the new bridge at the station, just there. So quite a bit of materials here. You can see footbridge is open as normal. So let's have a wander over this. So just coming up to the bridge now. See quite a bit of material still to be disposed of. That's where the temporary bridge came out there. Something really concerning here. What I spotted. Who leaves cake? I mean, come on. Who doesn't eat cake? Anyway, you see, you've got the new bridge here now. The footpath actually looks a little bit wider than it was. You see on previous videos, that's the waterproofing that I've shown from above. See over there, all the utilities. I've actually got some contractors here at the moment doing some work. See there where they're rebuilding the wall, back up to the level of the new bridge. Looking into the new station. Just looking at it now from Plattbridge side. See there, it's coming towards the end of actually getting the utilities etc running. Got Pioneer here doing some work. So it's a bit of drilling now. We'll send the drone up, have a quick look at it from above. At Deep Pit. So you can see a little bit of progress since last video. Got the concrete, see the new concrete section there, which I'm presuming is going to be built up on, possibly with bricks, to support the bridge in its new height.
So just looking over to the Hindley side now, on the Aspel side here. See, I don't know well it come up on camera because of the grey sky. See that got the wires actually physically underneath the bridge now. So it looks like on the other side as well. Exactly the same situation with the large concrete build in place. So send drone up, have a look from above.
So looking at the bridge from the Hindley side now, looking towards the Aspel side, you can see it's a pretty similar situation to what is happening on the Aspel side, with the foundations going in for the new footbridge and the run-up ramp leading up to it. At Inley Station now, you can see quite a bit of progress now on the platform compared to my previous video. All tarmacked, got the safety yellow line in, running all the way down, so pretty much finished. That's on the Wigan bound platform.
At Westhoughton now, a little bit more progress. Yeah, not as much as Inley, but I think on my last video, they'd done the security fencing on the Wigan bound platform, just on the Bolton bound platform at the moment. See, they made a start of the security fencing on this side as well. Want to get the light standards in place as well. Yeah, steady progress more than anything. Make it a lot better anyway. We can get the longer trains in.
So on the A6 Manchester Road Bridge over the railway now, and they've put these additional height concrete sections in, which obviously health and safety, because there's going to be live wires running underneath there. So stop anybody leaning over and going up to mischief against the electrical wires. Still see over to see the trains coming, etc. And it's same on the other side. This is looking towards Westhoughton station. And if anybody from Network Rail is watching, it's Manchester Road, not Chorley Road. Your sign's wrong. That's it for this video. There's not much else to film at the moment towards Lostock because it's all done, dusted. There's still the odd site compound, but it's not much happening on them. So, all being well, weather permitting, I'll be out in December and do another video. So, if you can keep an eye out for that. Thanks for watching this one, and I'll see you again next time. Thanks, everyone.